Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to share screen on Instagram and you are wondering how to do so, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. Open up Insta for that, and within your account you can go to the DM section. Usually in the bottom in the middle you can find the arrow icon. So tap on it, the plane icon, and you will be taken to your chat. Now from the space right here, you can go to one of the chat, and once you're in the chat, in order to share your screen, what we need to do is basically look out for the phone or the video call option in the top right corner. So go ahead and tap on one of those, and then you may wait for the other person to pick up your call. Once the person picks up your call, you should be finding this particular interface, and in the bottom you should be finding different options. So I need to look out for this very middle option right beside the microphone, and in the middle of speaker and microphone, tap on it. And there you'll be finding option to watch together. And at side of the watch, you'll be finding option called share screen. So go ahead and tap on that option. And once you tap on it, it will give you a pop-up. If you wanna confirm it up, you can tap on start now. And then your screen will be shared, and everything within your screen will be shared with that particular person you're trying to share the screen with. If you want to stop the sharing, you can again tap on stop sharing, and that is how you basically share your screen on Insta. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.